Hi, this is Dave with DRH Acrylic Creations. Today is Nate's Art Lab for the September challenge. We were given a palette that we needed to match. So let's see how I did with this. Let's get to it. Okay, let's talk a little bit about what we're doing today. This is a painting for Nate's Art Lab, the September challenge. And we were given a color palette that we had to match, or we needed to match. And I've added one color, and I'll talk about that in just a second. Matching these colors was more of a challenge than I expected. I found an app on the Golden Fluid Art page, or the Golden Paints page, that allows you to match colors using their paints. And I didn't have all their colors, so I got as close as I could with what I did have. I had some of them, so I used their recipe, and I got pretty darn close. Took some fiddling, some faddling, but we did get there. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna just talk about the colors. These are all custom colors. You couldn't go into what all was in there, but I will list that down in the description so you can see what it was that what I used to put these together. But let's talk about this. This is a darker pumpkin orange. Excuse me. This is an orange, more of a yellow orange. This is more of a pumpkin orange. The best way I could put this is a barnhouse red. This is an olive, and this is almost an azure blue. This has a lot of shine in it because I have some, in order to lighten it up, I played some games with some pearl colors. So the middle color, this is straight up. That is Super Pearl Gold by Nova Color. My selector areas I'm going to be using today that's Lamp Black by Amsterdam and Titanium White by Amsterdam, both mixed with 3 parts Australian Floetrol. My pouring mediums for all of these are going to be listed down in the description, but in a nutshell, it's Liquitex pouring medium and American Floetrol in a 1-to-1 ratio with a splash of GAC 800 just to help with the binders. And that's all with 1 part paint to 3 parts pouring medium. Okay, let's get right to it. I need to make this a quick one, so let's go. Okay, let's talk about this for just a second. This is quick and dirty. I am not unhappy with what we have here. This happened rather quickly. It is a simple blowout. And I'm using a new hairdryer today, and boy, I had a little bit of problem controlling the airflow. But I am not unhappy at all. These are thinner paints than I usually work with, especially when I'm using, if I were using Bloom recipe, but this isn't Bloom recipe. So the base coat you saw me put down was much thinner than not much. It was thinner than the rest of the paint, and that was by design, because I really wanted just to give myself a slick surface, something for my paints to flow across. And I think the super gold is going to be super cool, because it added a warmth to this that I really kind of like. So I'm going to clean up my area here, get you down for the slow and easy, and we'll talk about the end. If you'd like to help, leave a like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications of future videos. It really does help, and it's absolutely free. Well, that's it for me this month, and I hope that you did get something out of it. Stick around for the next person in the collab, and as always, I'll see you next time.